Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send money from the Coinmarketcap. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Coinmarketcap web application, which of course I have done right here. And I'd like you to know that the Coinmarketcap is the world's most referenced price tracking website for crypto assets in the rapidly growing cryptocurrency space. And its mission is to make crypto discoverable and efficient globally by empowering retail users with unbiased, high quality, and accurate information for drawing their own informed conclusions. So what this means is that the coin market cap application is all about information, helping you to track your assets and get highly informed about what is happening in the cryptocurrency space, especially those that would love to invest in certain assets or cryptocurrencies. So, having known this, let's hop into today's task, which is how to send money from the coin market cap. Okay, the first thing I'd like you to know is that I'm so sorry, as of 2024 April, coin market cap does not have the feature of sending real money or actual money. Yes, it means you cannot save or you cannot store real money in the coin market cap. It's just an analysis website. It just allows you to stay informed of what exactly is happening around your assets or what is happening in the cryptocurrency space. So it does not allow real money, which means you cannot send money, you cannot send money at all. All right, but then there is something that you can do. You can actually build portfolios that by creating a portfolio where you have your assets organized in a particular window where you can track the performance of your assets and know how your assets are actually doing. Now you can definitely import your asset from another wallet by adding your wallet address. So in your portfolio, you'll be able to track the performance of that asset, but you will not be able to send that money. Now, how do you create your portfolio? Check the top right corner of your screen and you're going to see your profile icon. So click on that. You're going to see this extended menu that has watch list to log out. Now go ahead and click on portfolio, and that is going to take you to the portfolio window. Now in here, you can head over to the left corner of your screen where you have this create portfolio option. Now go ahead and click on create portfolio. Now you can connect your wallet. Let's say you have a MetaMask wallet or a Binance wallet. You can sync your wallet into this coin market cap so that your balance right in your wallet is going to be added or is going to be displayed as part of your portfolio in the coin market cap. Now once your balance has been added and a portfolio has been created using another wallet address, this is what you're going to find. So this is a portfolio that I created. Now this 35 million naira is not real money. I just added the portfolio. So let's say you have imported your wallet address and it shows the balance that you have from your wallet address. You're going to be able to see all the information: all-time profit from it, best performer, worst performer. You're going to see all of the details to see how your asset is doing. You can see this chart to help you make more informed decisions. As you can see in the last 1 hour, we're making a loss of 0.20%. All right, so this is just really how you can of course import your balance from another wallet as your portfolio in the coin market cap and track your assets. So this is not real money, and there's no option or there's no feature that allows you to send money from the coin market cap. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.